It's got to be energized, it's got to be fun, it's got to be beautiful.
Bold and simple.
We took Camry where it was and we amped it up even further into a sporty genre. If there's one thing great about sedans, it's that they're fun to drive because they're low. We really emphasize that point with the new Camry. If you look at the front face, we took the hammerhead design theme, and that's our Toyota face identity. It feels like the front end is low like a sports car.
The hammerhead really wound up incorporating with the body side, and it really does connect all the way to the rear emblem. It is amazing how well that all choreographed together. Also, depending on grade, we have body color grills, which really help change the entire mood of the vehicle.
The interior is an incredible change. Still make it a driver-centric focal point for Camry. It's a fun-to-drive sedan.
This interior has best execution of interior harmony. The most challenging part of the design in this case was what we call the guitar.
The screen just naturally flows into the side register, and it's a beautiful sculptural transition.
In the end, we're thinking about our customer. What would appeal to them and what they would love, in a next Camry.